Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To install the Twitter for Android app, open the Google Play app or another app store that features the Twitter for Android app. Search for Twitter for Android. Select Download and accept the permissions. Once the Twitter for Android app finishes downloading, open the app and sign in.
Let's help you make your mark.
Step 1. Once the XAPK file has finished downloading, go to File Manager, or File Explorer, and rename the extension to zip. Step 2. After that, long press on the file to decompress it and it will reveal two major files, an APK file and an Android folder. Step 3. Tap on the Android folder and go to the OBB folder.
Take our lead.
Enter the desktop application, a third-party piece of software that you can install on your computer to interface with Twitter and get more out of your microblogging activities. Now that Twitter is older than a toddler, you have a variety to choose from.
Let's help you make your mark.
Twitter for Beginners, the complete guide. Step 1. Set up your profile. Choose your profile name, aka handle. Step 2. Follow some people. This is important for two reasons. Step 3. Understand the Twitter lingo. Step 3. Decide what content to tweet about. Step 4. Join trending hashtags. Step 5. Maintain your channel.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Download the Twitter for Android app, if you haven't already installed it. Once the app is installed, you can log in with an existing account or sign up for a new account directly from the app. Learn about managing multiple Twitter accounts through your app.
Let's help you make your mark.
Simply follow these easy steps. Copy a media URL. Open media in a new tab and copy its URL from the browser's address bar. Paste URL into the input field. Go back to savefrom.net website and paste the link in the form from the top of the page and click on the button to run the process. Click on the download button.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.